Alright, so we got a nice super easy one today on the importance of checking any bulletins and any calls for a reflash. So this machine's 2 years old, I think it is. Customer complaint, intermittent stall while decelerating when hot, or sometimes start, sputter, stall. Fuel injected machine. We're hooked up with our OBD2 style dongle under here. It is actually a J1962 connector, but it is pinned differently. You can't use a scan tool, a standard scan tool. Here's our bulletin, and it's really not important that it's for a deer focus. It's just in general, whatever you're working on, doesn't hurt to do a quick test for, or a quick search through TSBs and service information to see if somebody's already had that problem and if a reflash will fix it. In this case, having already done a couple of these, I knew the TSB existed, but we already got our software downloaded, and we're gonna hit start programming, go, key is on. Alright, see, now we do have notes. Unplug E-Pass plug if equipped, then click OK. This is not electronic power assisted steering, so we don't have to worry about that. See, the E-Pass system runs on a separate CAN network and sometimes interferes with reprogramming. But always follow your reprogramming steps. And 50%. Hopefully this goes a little faster here. Come on now. Generally these are a lot faster than this. This must be a almost full overwrite. Probably something to do with the decel strategy. They don't give us the actual contents of the software updates, or very rarely do they. So bear with me here. If not, just fast forward. So yeah, just, I mean, basically I don't care if you're working on a BMW, a Bugatti, a horse and buggy. If it's got a problem, check your service information, check your TSBs, and see if there's something going on that can be fixed with the reflash. And if there's additional parts or anything needed, make sure you do that. Make sure, you know, a reflash isn't constituting that you have to replace A, B, C, and D before you do the reflash. And I might end up cutting you guys off here because it's telling me to be patient, but this is why programming is not always fun or exciting. It's nice to see what to do if you run into issues, but it's also time consuming where you're just sitting there tapping your feet waiting for something to happen. Yeah, so that's it. You know, we're not going to sit here and wait. So check your service information, make sure you replace any applicable parts if needed with the software update, and go from there.